Hello guys! Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. This is your guys Mama Secret Channel. A faithful Ozo Matarder sa ngayong hapon na to. Tignan natin ang sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a special gabay for the month of May 24 hanggang May 31 for the sign of Capricorn. So Capri, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanina kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Capricorn ng ating mahagilap. So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And hit the notification bell for more videos update. And because maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalong-lalo na ang hindi nag-skip ng ads na way pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik-liglig nag-uumapaw na biyayang manumbalik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages, advice ng ating angel spirit for this sign of Capricorn. So let's see and watch this. Angel spirit guide, please give information po. Ano kayang gusto sabihin sa'yo ng ating mga baraha? Okay, there's something the moon card guys, no? Kumbaga may mga bagay na marireveal na dito. Unti-unti mo nang matutuklasan lahat ng kaganapan sa buhay mo. No, may misteryo talaga sa likod dito. I see some elements. No, may nakikita ko dito unang baraha pa lang elemento na. And there's a Ten of Pentacles with a long-term success and long-term investment. So, ibig sabihin, magkakaroon ka na pang matagalang financial windfall dito or financial security. No? Magkakaroon ka ng masagana at maayos na pamumuhay. And this is something the for one. See, there's a lot of celebration coming in. Some of you, no, there's something homecoming, family gathering. No, and of course, there's a twin flame energy with 11-11, no, with a Four of Wands. And there's a Nine of Pentacles, security. No, magkaroon ka ng seguridad pagdating sa finances. No, how to manage and control it, no? Kailangan pangalagaan, protectionan mo ito. And there's a Three of Cups. Now, there's a lot of celebration. No, maraming celebration magaganap talaga dito. There's a happiness. No, there's a collaboration, socialize with other people. There's a parties. Ganon. And there's a charity with an action and movement. No? Maraming mga changes at development na mangyayari sa buhay mo. No, there's a two joining forces na maaaring ipagkakalob sa iyo ng universe. No, yung ano man yung kahilingan, gusto mo mangyari. No, kailangan mo lang mag-take ng action, then of course, ibibigay niya na sa'yo. What is the moon card? The moon card represents the Eight of Pentacles. Mag-focus ka sa trabaho, negosyo, hanap buhay mo. Na mag-concentrate ka. No, parang may gumugulo sa'yo dito, kaya nawawala ka sa wisyo. No, nawawala ka sa concentration. No, nade-distract ka. What is the Ten of Pentacles? Represent with the Nine of Cups. No, there's something an offer, guys. No, offer that brings you higher level of commitment or that brings you a high salary, or either there's something guys with an offer na magdadala sa'yo ng mas pasabog na financial windfall. What is the Four of Wands? Represent with the Page of Swords, being curiosity. No, kailangan alamin mo, tuklasin mo yung mga bagay na makakatulong pa sa'yo, especially pagdating sa business, pagdating sa trabaho, pagdating sa love life. No? Some of you meron talaga dito guys, no, na ikakasal, pero kailangan mo mag-background check muna. Mamaya yung asawa na nakapapakasalan mo, mayroon palang asawa yan. So just be assured. Now, what is the Nine of Pentacles? Represent with the Eight of Swords. So there's a lot of toxic and negativities around you. Ibig sabihin na papalibutan ka talaga ng toxic. No, kailangan magkaroon ka ng securities pagdating sa pinaghirapan mo. No, some of you guys, kumbaga may mga lalapit dyan, no? Yung pala sa very toxic, no? Lalapit lang yan pag kailangan ng tulong, pero pag na ano na, parang balingbing, ganon. No, mag-ingat po kayo dyan. There's a Three of Cups. Represent what? There is something, the King of Wands, something a vision. Unti-unti mo nang masisilayan, makikita yung mga posibilidad, no, na mangyayari sa'yo. Kaya parang, ngayon pa lang nagse-celebrate ka na kasi tinitignan mo na magiging maganda ang kalalabasan nito. What is the Chariot card? Represent with the World card. Some of you may trouble talaga. No, maaaring magsasucceed ka talaga. No? So, let's see what is the initial messages with the Moon card because the Eight of Pentacles. Represent with the Page of Pentacles, something investment. So, invest wisely. Na pagdating sa finances, kailangan pangalagaan, protectionan mo ito. No? What is additional messages? And because there's something, the judgment for a wake-up call. Na parang ginigising ka sa katotohanan na you need to pay attention. Na kailangan mong mag-ingat. Na maging mabusisi. Na but there's something, a caution or warning. Let's see, and this is something that card with an ending and a new beginning. Na may mga bagay na matatapos na. Na may mga bagay din na magsisimula na. Na maaring magkakaroon ng transformation pagdating sa relationship. No? And there's a hyphen for a lesson learned. Basta matuto ka na. Na may mga pinagdaanan ka, may mga kabiguan ka, may mga naranasan ka na kailangan mong pakakatandaan. What is additional messages? Represent with a strength and with a confidence. So, kailangan lakas mo loob mo, maging matapang ka. No? Hindi pwede yung natatakot ka. Dapat titignan mo yung magiging possibilities or posibilidad. No? What is additional messages? And there's a three pentacle for collaboration. So, marami ka dito mga makakaugusap. No? Maraming offer na paparating sa'yo. No? Especially dyan sa ibang bansa, sa trabaho mo. Maraming parating na eksena. What is additional messages for the outcome? For the outcome is the high physis. No? Nagkakaroon ng hidden agenda, hidden enemy. Some of you guys, no? Hindi ka makatulog sa gabi. No? Nagigising ka sa nowhere. Alas 3, alas 2 yan, nagigising ka. And there's an Empress card for revert. No? Some of you guys, no? Magkakaroon dito ng new beginning. No? Lalagot, lalakas. No? Pinapaalalahanan ka lang dito na kailangan mo mahalin yung sarili mo. Now, let's see what is additional messages. Reference with a temperance, no? This is something a perfect timing. No? Talagang inilalaan dito na may mga bagay talaga na nakatakda para sa iyo, no? Additional messages. So there's the King of Cups. Now there's a devoted so for the person. May taong sumusupport at gumagabay sa iyo dito. And there's an Emperor just being mature enough and being grounded. So kailangan maging mature ka, no? Kumbaga, titignan mo lagi yung magiging kalalabasan. No, there's a look at the bigger picture. No, let's see. And this is something that Ace of Swords with a breakthrough. Magtatagumpay ka rin naman dito. No, may mga bagay talaga na magliliwanag sa'yo about sa trabaho mo dyan sa ibang bansa. Or either makakapag-ibang bansa ka, or maaaring makakaroon ka ng business trip. No? And your person is very devoted. Some for you guys na meron dito ancestry guides. No, na gumagabay sa'yo. Na pinapaalalahanan ka talaga na kailangan mo mahalin at alagaan yung sarili mo dito. No? This is the moment na para tapusin na lahat ng mga eksena na nagbibigay balakid sa buhay mo. So let's see, hanapin na natin, nagilapin na natin pagdating sa finances and career. So let's watch this. Okay. Finances and career represent what? Represent with the Queen of Cups. There's an emotional healing na maging kalmado ka na this time. Na pagdating sa finances mo, hindi pwedeng ura-urada, hindi pwedeng bira-birada. Na manatiling kalmado. There's a 7 of Pentacles with a harvest moment. No, aani ka rin ng mga pinaghirapan mo. Lahat ng mga bagay na pinagpaguran mo, maaaring malapit na yung harvest moment na yan. There's a Tower moment for a major changes. Malaking pagbabago na magaganap pagdating sa buhay mo, sa situation mo. No, there's a full card, parang sinusubukan na lang pananampalataya at tiwala mo. No, kumbaga sa tamang proseso ka. At the same time, this is something the Queen of Swords, no? Clear the boundaries. Lilinisin yung mga bagay na magsisilbing balakid sa eksena mo. No? There's a purification, parang paglilinis. There's a Two of Wands by choices. You have the power to choose. No? Ikaw yung pipili ng mga bagay na ikabubuti mo. Kaya manatiling kalmado para hindi ka, kumbaga, maging pala desisyon, no? Kaya kailangan pag-isipan mabuti bago ka mag-actions, no? At lahat ng bagay na pinagpaguran mo, aani ka rin dyan. Lahat ng bagay na ito mabubuo to. Na may isa aayos man ang maayos siya. Now, let's see. Pagdating sa love life, there's a Two of Pentacles with a balance. So, kailangan mo maging balance, guys, na pagdating sa relasyon. There's a Knight of Wands. No, konting tiyaga pa. No? Additional messages. So, there's the lovers. Talagang magkakaroon ka talaga ng love life. No? Talagang, some of you may asawa na o kasal na kayo. Or either magkakaroon dito higher level commitment. At the same time, this is something the Five of Wands. No, there's something complication, competitors, competitions, mag-ingat po. No? Meron ka dito kakapitansya pagdating sa pag-ibig. No, it's either, kumbaga hindi ka tanggap ng family ng person mo, biyanan mo, ng hipag mo, ng bilas mo, ng ganon. And there's a Six of Swords with the transition. Unti-unti rin kayo makakalis dyan. Kailangan nyo lumipat ng lugar. No, lumayo-layo ka dyan. Parang ano sila kumbaga, abusado. There's a Queen of Wands by confident. Lakas ang loob mo, maging matapang ka. Additional messages with an angel spirit. Nga pala guys, yung iba nagtataka. Bakit hindi niya naman daw sa inyo, pero parang nakarelate siya doon. Pakitignan niyo po yung rising, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sa inyo. No? Ibig sabihin dito, yung ascendant nyo. Tignan nyo kung ano yung nasa chart nyo mamaya. No? Ano pala kayo, ang ascendant nyo is, kunyari, Capricorn kayo, tapos nakarelate kayo sa Pisces. So, ganun po. Mamaya ang ascendant nyo is Pisces. Ganun po. No? I-check nyo po. And this is something pagdating sa kalusugan mo, there's a Four of Pentacles for saving money. Protection at pangalagaan mo yung sarili mo kasi nai-stress ka No, there's a Devil card. No? May gumagawa talaga ng hindi maganda sa'yo dito. No, binibigyan ka ng karamdaman. No, para hindi ka makapag-work. No, there's a Two of Pentacles with a balance. No? Parang binayaran or pinagtulungan ka dito. Like that. And there's a the Sun card. There's an enlightenment. No, maliliwanagan ka kung sino to. No? And there's a Page of Cups. Tama ang hinala mo. There's a conclusion. No, tama ka ng hinala. Nagkakaroon ng self-sabotage dahil nakikipag-communicate ka pa sa kanila. No? There's a Star card represented with the power of the deck. There's something the Star represented healing, recovery, and hope. So let's see. What is the additional messages with an angel spirit messages and advices? And of course, pick a card yes or no. No? When it comes no, pagdating sa pick a card yes or no, kumaga pwede ka magtanong. Dahil kasi silang magiging sagot, 1, 2, or 3. Dahil of course, comment down below kung anong number yung napili mo. No? So, let's see. Additional messages with magical fairy messages. Let's watch this. Magical fairy messages represent what? The Sun. Some of you may anak ang lalaki dito. No? Maaring ginagabayan ka. At the same time, there's a vegetarian. Some of you guys, no, more on veggies dapat, no? Umiwas ka muna sa mga meat. And there's a spring with a blossoming. May paglago talaga ng finances dito. Na maaaring lalagot, gaganda na rin ng buhay mo. Now, let's see what is a yin and yang oracle card. Represent what? What is a yin and yang oracle card represent? There is something avoidance, no? Kailangan mo umiwas, no? Tigilan. At the same time, there's a present moment with abundance na magiging masaya at magiging maligaya din ang situation mo. Magiging masagana ang pamumuhay mo. Now, there's a purpose, no? With a North Node. Ibig sabihin dito, dapat alam mo sa sarili mo yung purpose mo sa buhay. Ano ba talaga yung target and intentions mo? Diba? Let's see what is the additional messages with the synchronicities. Four synchronicities represent what? Represent with a Goddard. Talaga there's something, parang sinasabi dito, parang marami kang bagay na matutuklasan dito. No, there's a river with the flow. Dadaloy na. Ibig sabihin nito, malalaman mo na talaga siya. No, there's a wheel of fortune with a turning back. No, at papabor din sa iyo ang sitwasyon. No, malalaman mo lahat ng dapat mong malaman at iikot to mismo sa mga palad mo. What is the romance age for a Mystic Love Oracle deck? And there's a sex with a good time. So, ibig sabihin talaga dito, it's either, kumaga, nangungulila ka with a sex, something like that, o maaaring, kumaga, namimiss mo yan, and this is something competition, sabi ko na nga ba there's the other women, na meron talaga ditong kakapetensya. See, there's a third party. I told you. Diba? Ibig sabihin dito, it's either ang gumagawa sa'yo, a third party and both, a family-related or the other women. What is the angel's number? Represent guys with a 222 with the feminine forces. You can do everything by yourself, but life is to be shared. Partner up with the right spirit, and you become a first honor and commitment, and people around you don't judge and listen. So, makinig ka sa mga advices. No? Baka mas meron kang kailangan ng tulong dito. No, kailangan mo humingi ng gabay, tulong sa mga tao na sa paligid mo. No? Let's see what is the money move oracle deck. Represent with a closed door. Talaga sinasarado ng pinto dito. Start all over again. No, tapusin na at magsimula ka ng panibago. No, and this is something guys with a part of the line. No, kasi wala ka rin mapapala eh. No? Ibig sabihin itong tao na to, itong karelasyon mo, it's a very toxic. Baka may taong darating para sa'yo talaga. No? Parang ginaano na nasa taas na kailangan mong kumawala dyan sa tao na yan kasi hindi ka mag-grow. Hindi ka lalago dyan. And there's a perseverance, no? I believe in myself and stay true in my heart. Through persistent, I follow my path with unwavering trust, knowing that everything will move in the positive direction. So see, alam mo lahat ng nangyayari, no? Kumaga may maayos sa direction talaga sa buhay mo na tinatahak yan. Kaya nangyari yan kasi inaalis ka sa tao o sa isang sitwasyon na alam niyang makakasira lang ng pagkatao mo, na hindi ka lalago at hindi gaganda situation mo. What is the shadow work represent what? With the shadow work represent what? Represent with the authentic self, no? Be yourself and everyone else is already taken. So see, maging totoo ka sa sarili mo, no? At lahat ng mga bagay na yan, kumbaga, makikita nila kung ano yung katangian kaya na meron ka na hindi niya makikita sa iba, no? So there's something what lies beneath with the hidden future. Ano yung mga bagay na nakatago sa hinaharap mo? Represent with the keeping you a secret. So meron ditong tinatago sa yun, no? Na sikreto. Meron talaga tinatago sa yung sikreto dito, parang ayaw niya malaman mo na may other women. Now, and there's a clarifying for a love situation. Let's see. And this is something poker face. So be aware of hidden intention and underlying motive. Mag-ingat ka na sa kanya. No, kasi may intention na yan sa'yo. No? May gusto siyang gawin sa'yo na maaaring maghumantong sa hindi magandang eksena. No, kaya kailangan mag-ingat ka. No, palayain mo yung sarili mo sa tao na yan. There's a clarifying for life situation. Mamaya meron pala kayong negosyo, ganyan, mamaya ubusin lang yan. No, mag-ingat po kayo. Or meron na pala yung kumbaga binubuo na sariling pamilya, tapos ang ending, gusto ka na lang niya mabura doon sa eksena, mag-ingat po kayo, no? Let's see what is the clarifying for life situation. And represent guys with soul of balance. Seek equilibrium in love and career, harmonizing your inner scale to weight decision with both heart and mind. So see, maging balance ka pagdating sa utak at nararamdaman mo. No, magkaroon ka ng solid investment and solid foundation sa sarili mo na hindi ka mismo ninuman, no, mapapasunod o makokontrol, no, kaya mong pangalagaan, kaya mong proteksyonin yung sarili mo. So let's see what is a yes or no, pick a card. Let's watch this. Okay, nandito na tayo with a pick a card, yes or no. Ang unang baraha, sino kayo nakapili ng number 1? Ito na yon. Let's start with the number 1. There's a no, feeling fragment cracking under pressure. No, wag mong pilitin. No, masisira at tuluyang masisira lang to. No, kumaga may mga nararamdaman ka ditong pilit na inilalaban pero hindi na dapat. No, may lamat na. Number 2, and there's something guys with a yes, unlift your spirit, easy to do light work. No, mapapagaang ang trabaho mo kung gusto mo yung ginagawa mo, kung magaang din yung mga taong nasa paligid mo. No? Kumbaga sinasabi dito, kailangan ganado at may passion ka sa ginagawa mo. Number 3. Pero kasi ang nakapili na number 3, represent what? There is a yes. No? Flow with the current natural progress. No? Dadaloy na to ng natural at maayos at wasto. Ibig sabihin, wala nang kahit na sino man makakahadlang nito dahil tuloy-tuloy na dadalo yung magagandang eksena sa buhay mo. So guys, this is a special gabay for the month of May 24 hanggang May 31 for the sign of Capricorn. So Capri, maraming salamat po for this wonderful reading. So once again, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagot. And because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and notification bell for more videos update. Then of course, maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalong-lalo na hindi i-skip ng ads sa way pagpalain kayo. Nang Diyos at may kapaliksik digdig na gumapo na biyayang manang balik sa inyo. Maraming salamat po and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!